Hello guys, and welcome to another video on Microbit Pomodoro project. This is a continuation from the previous video where we displayed the elapsed time, and now we want to format it for a more readable display. Instead of displaying a number with a timer, we are going to replace this with something else. Let's create a new variable called minutes that we are going to calculate. And we need another one that is called seconds. And let's think about how to make it. So variable timer contains the number of seconds. To get number of minutes, we could simply divide by 60 and take the integer part of that division, because it will be 60 point something else, which is a fraction of the minute that is not complete. So to do that, we can simply take from the math block, we can take a division, and we can take timer divided by 60, and you can search for floor. And this block will take the result of this division, and it will drop whatever is after the decimal point. So we'll get what we actually need, the number of minutes. And the number of seconds is going to be a remainder of division by 60. So whatever remains is going to be the number of seconds. So we can take variable timer and divide it by 60, and this will be our seconds. And now we can do, instead of displaying a string, we want to join strings. So we have this join operator, and we need also show string, and we are going to put this block inside, and we can say show, we will take minutes. We would like to have colon in between and seconds. And there is one flaw in this design, and you will soon see what I'm talking about. So if you click on the button B, it says 24:59. If you click again, it's 24:52. Okay, but let's say that we don't actually do anything in forever block just for a second. And I want to show you how it looks like if it is having less than 10 seconds remaining after the division. So it will display 25:0. And we would like to have consistent display. So we would like to have always two places for the seconds. So let's try to fix that. It's easy. You can just take the if block, and you can check if the seconds, let's take from the logic part, and let's say if the variable seconds, if it is less than 10, it means that it has only one digit to display, and we would need else block to do something different here. We will introduce new variable called second string, and we are going to not like this, but we would like to set it first. So we want to set second string to join, and we would like to have 0 in front of the, you can click on this minus button to remove parts of this join block. So we would like to have 0 and the value that we get from seconds, because we know here it will be 1 digit. So we have 0 and that 1 digit. Otherwise, we are going to set, we cannot directly use seconds in here, because this will complain. It will say that number is not assignable to type string. So what we need to do before is to convert seconds to text. And now we can do this. And instead of joining minutes and seconds, we want to join minutes and seconds string. And if we repeat the same process again, clicking on the B button, we should get 2500. And now we have a consistent display. It will display in the same format, regardless of number of seconds that remains. One final thing that I would like to show you is that we can wrap this inside a function, and we can call this function display time. And we can put all of this into function body and simply call the function within this block on button B pressed. That's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.